Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Linear Inequalities Exercise 3.6 question number 14. Let's see the question. Solve the following inequalities graphically. So we are going to solve the inequalities graphically. The first question is 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 150. X plus 4y is less than or equal to 80, x is less than or equal to 15, y is greater than or equal to 0, x is greater than or equal to 0. Here we can't solve it by inequality, so I am going to take this to be the equation that let 3x plus 2y is equal to 150. In this case, let x plus 4y is equal to 80. Yeah, x is equal to 15. These are the graph on the, if I take y is equal to 0 or x is equal to 0, this will be the graph on the x-axis and y-axis, so no need to do a plot a point on it. So just we will solve this 3 equation. You are taking any point of x and y, we can get the solutions of this. So taking x and y, taking x to be 0, your y will be equal to 75. Taking y to be 0, your x will be equal to 50. So same way, taking x to be 0, your y will be equal to 20. Taking y 0, x will be equal to 80. Yeah, the numbers are very big, so let me take x to y to be 10, yeah 15, because yeah there is no change of your x value because x is 15. So I am just taking the number bigger because my plotting, I have done the graph, taken a graph of huge number because we have a conclusion of the solution to be very large. So take it a number as 10, 20, 30 so that you can plot it easily. Here 0, 75 is here, 50, 0 is here. Join this two points, extend the line. This is your first linear graph. The second one is 0, 20, 0, 80. Sorry, 80, 0 is here. Join this two. Now 15, 10, 15, 20, this is your third graph. Take any point, I'm going to take 0, 0. If 0, 0 satisfies the equation, then the equation will be towards the 0, 0. Your shaded region will be towards the 0, 0. If it is false, it will be away from 0, 0. You can't shade it on the 0, 0. So it will be away 0, 0. Let us check whether it satisfies the equation. Substituting 0, 0. Here 0 is less than or equal to 150. Here 0 is less than or equal to 80. Here 0 is less than or equal to 15. Everything is true because 0 is lesser than all the numbers, so it's true. Therefore, the shaded region should be towards the origin. Because it is true, so it is towards the origin. Now let us shade on the graph. Here 0, 0 is here. For the first one, it should be towards the origin. For the second graph, it should be towards the origin. Give variation of your shading because we need to identify the common one. So give variations. For the third one, the third line is here. It should be towards the graph. So the common region shows the solution of the given equation. This is the common region where all of them intersect, so this is the common region, shows the solution of the given inequalities. Therefore the common shaded region solution of the inequality. That's all with the sum. Thank you.